Hey everyone, wanted to give a quick demo for Inari. Inari is an AI copilot for product development, business operations, and analytics teams. Operators from growth stage startups use Inari to draft product requirements, business strategies, and status updates in minutes. Inari integrates directly with your work applications, so you can save time searching for context and easily use it while completing tasks. So, imagine you're a product manager. You started working with the new engineering team. Your director asks you for a straw man near-term roadmap, but you don't really have context yet and need to put together something quickly. Let's jump in. Inari provides a conversational chat interface to ask questions, query context, and complete tasks. Inari integrates directly with your work applications. So you can see here in the Sources tab, there's a list of documents that you've most recently modified here. Let's run a quick search for your customer feedback notes. Pull in Inari customer feedback data. So it's deciding its approach. It's looking across all of your relevant docs, and it's giving a quick summary of the docs. Awesome. So you can see Inari pulled the doc in. If you pop over here to the context tab, you can see that Inari pulled in the doc. And if you pull out the side panel, there's actually a list of the different chunks within that doc that Inari pulled in for context. Awesome. So let's summarize this into a list of themes. I'm going to use an agent for this. Agents are predefined workflows for docs or tasks that I can use to save time. Right now, this is a set of well-crafted prompts applied to the context that I have in chat. But over time, this will include chains of prompts or autonomous agents to execute tasks. So let's pull up this summarized customer feedback. So it's kicking off its task now. Integration with more tools makes a lot of sense. Improving the sentiment analysis. So being able to understand customer themes better, versatility in tools and approaches, data privacy. Yeah, I think these themes make a lot of sense. These are great. Are there any more themes to discuss? Let's plot it one more time. Community-led agent creation sharing. That makes sense. Enhance user experience. So improve citations, content, search capabilities, advanced data analysis. So being able to pull in analytics and data warehouses should be killer. And faster query responses and expanded context windows. I think these themes make a lot of sense. So let's come up with a set of feature ideas based off these themes. I'm going to use another agent. Come up with a list of feature ideas based on the customer themes. Cool. So integrations, different tools, Jira, GitHub, GitLab, as a summary, user story, confidence, integrating with Slack and Asana. Better sentiment analysis, so better interpretation and understanding behind user responses. Makes a lot of sense. Industry-specific agents, so yep, tailoring to specific business models. Self-hosting AI models. Come up with a few more based on the rest of the themes. Cool. I like the community-driven agent marketplace. Inari workplace applications, so Chrome extension, Mac app. think that makes a ton of sense. Better analytical agents, conducting A/B tests, forecasting, analyzing feedback, and then expanded context windows. Awesome. I think this is a great answer. Let's actually try to pre-mortem this. So let's pre-mortem this. What are the biggest risks with this roadmap? Insufficient resources, partner dependence, data privacy. Yep. Deprioritize risks. User adoption. I might disagree with them on that. Elephants in the room. Scaling. I think that's definitely fair. Awesome. So I think this is a pretty good list of potential risks. So elephants in the room, mitigations. I think this is pretty good for a few minutes of querying. Well, that's a quick overview of how Inari works now, and I'm excited to evolve Inari into the best business copilot for operators. I hope you all enjoy.